Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Monday the 18th of January's maths lesson. Now, this week we are going to be focusing on addition. So addition means we are adding two numbers together. And when we add, can you remember that we find an answer that is the bigger than the two numbers that we added together? Now, we are going to be doing our addition sums in a very different way. We are going to do them in column addition form. So as you can see here, this is my very first sum. Are you ready? 5 add 3 equals. So I'm going to show you exactly how it will look. So I'm going to put my first number here. I'm going to put an add sign just about here. And then I'm going to put my 5 underneath. My 3 underneath my 5, sorry. And then my equals is going to be nice and long. Okay, so 5, we have 5 ones, add 3 ones. Do you think you can solve that sum with your grown-up for me? Have a go. Maybe you could use your fingers if you're struggling, or anything that can help you at home. Well done. The answer is 8. So I'm going to write 8 underneath the ones numbers. Let's see if we've got any 10s then. So I've got 0 10s here, 0 10s here. So therefore I'm not going to have any 10s here. Let's have a look at another one now. So again, we're going to be using the same form. We're going to be using column addition to solve an even trickier one now. Are you ready? So this time, my sum is 12 add 7 equals. So I'm going to put my 12 add 7 into column addition form to help me find the answer. So I'm going to put my 1 10 here, because 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. And then my 2 ones next to it. And then I'm going to do my add sign. And then I'm going to put my 7 underneath the 2. Because 7 is on its own. So there's only 7 ones. And I don't want it underneath the 10s. I want it in the ones column. And then I'm going to do my big equals here. Right then. So first, we are going to add together the ones. Okay, so we're going to do 2 ones, add 7 ones. Can you have a go at that for me at home? I'm going to put 2 in my head and add the 7. Are you ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 ones add 7 ones equals 9 ones. I'm going to draw my 9 in my big equals here. Then I'm going to have a look. Now here, in my 10s column, I've got 1 10 and 0 10. So what would 1 10 add 0 10 be? Tell your grown-up. Fantastic. It is 1 10 because I've only got 1 10 to add. So then I'm going to keep it underneath my 10s column, but in the equals, I'm going to write the 1 10. So my answer is, can you tell your grown-up? 19. Well done. So I'm going to write the number 19 next to my answer. So let's have a look at another tricky one. So I'll wipe my board again. Oh, it's a tricky board, children. So this time I'm going to have it so that I've got two two-digit numbers. Make sure you can see the board clearly. So I'm going to do 13 add 14. Oh, making it really tricky this time because both numbers have a 10 and both numbers have ones. So I'm now going to put my 10s and 1s into column addition form. So first I'm going to write 13. I'm going to do my add sign. 14. Now I'm keeping my 10s underneath each other because they're in the 10s column. And then I'm doing my 3 1s and then I'm going to do my 4 1s underneath. And then I'm going to draw that nice big equal sign. So let's have a look. So I'm going to add together my 1s first. Are you ready? So we need to do 3 1s, add 4 1s. Have a go. Put 3 in your head and count 4 1s. Maybe you could use your fingers for this. Are you ready? Brilliant. The answer is 7. I've got 7 1s in my answer because 3 1s add 4 1s equals 7 1s. But this time I've also got my 10s. So what bit do I need to add together now? Fantastic. I need to add my 110, add my other 110. So what would that be? Fantastic. It would make 2 10s. Now we don't say 2 set 10s and 7 1s. Can you read this number to your grown-up for me? Brilliant. My answer is 27. So, you are all going to have a lovely challenge sheet at home. And all of the sums we've been practicing are on your sheet. As you can see here, I've got 4 1s, no 10s, and 2 1s and no 10s. What do you think the answer would be, children? So I would have to do 4, add 2. So I'm going to put 4 in my head and count on 2. 5, 6. What's the answer? 6. Well done. So I'm going to write my 6 underneath. So I haven't got any 10s, so I don't need to add any of those up. So my answer for 4 add 2 equals 6. And then you're starting off with 1 digit, add 1 digit. And then it's going to go on to 2 digit, add 1 digit. And then 2 digits, add 2 digits. And that is all your work for Monday's maths lesson. So make sure when you're finished, could you remind your grown-up to send an email to your class teacher, because Miss Ford and Miss Billick and I have really enjoyed seeing all of the fantastic work that you've been doing at home. Take care, everybody. Bye.